Hello, little explorers. Welcome to ABC Fun Kids. Today, we have a super exciting adventure with the letter E. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's meet some amazing animals that start with _E. Elephant. The elephant is the biggest land animal. It has a long trunk and big ears. Can you wave like an elephant? Eagle. Wow, the eagle is a strong bird that flies high in the sky. Can you flap your arms like an eagle? Eel. The eel looks like a long, slippery snake, but it lives in the ocean. Let's wiggle like an eel. Eggplant. Did you know an eggplant is a fruit? It's purple and yummy in many dishes. Evergreen huckleberry. These berries are tiny, sweet, and great for making jam. Engine. Fire engine. The fire engine helps firefighters save the day. Woo-woo, express train, choo-choo. The express train is super fast. Let's pretend to be a train. Earth. Earth is our home. It has land, oceans, and lots of animals and people. Can you spin like the Earth, Eris? Eris is a cold and faraway dwarf planet. It's even smaller than our moon. Burr, can you shiver like Eris? Edelweiss. Edelweiss is a special flower that grows in the mountains. It's so soft and pretty. __. Evening primrose. This flower blooms in the evening. It's yellow and glows in the moonlight. Great job, everyone! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ABC fun. See you next time. Bye-bye!